What up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming up with another video in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about set, which is the other part of the collection in JavaScript, because we talk about first about arrays, we talk about maps, and now we talk about sets. What is a set? A set, a JavaScript set is a collection of unique values. Each value can only occur once in a set. A set can hold any values of any data type. Okay, I got my script tags ready to go, so let's create some examples and see how this set works out. Okay, so we're going to creating a set. Okay, right here we're going to say const, and then we're going to say set1 equals to new set, open close parenthesis, semicolon, and then we're going to say set1 that we're going to add a string, which is going to be pastor, which is going to be my name, semicolon, and then we're going to be checking the set size. So it's going to be console log, and right here we're going to say set size, uh, dollar sign, color braces, and then here we're going to pass set1 that size, and then semicolon, and let's save that and check our browser and see what's going to give us. And right here we have nothing. Let's just inspect, and let's go to console, and we have the set of size 1. Okay, which is cool, not too bad. That's what we wanted, so it's working good. So now let's try to add the same value, adding the same value. For that, we're going to copy this line of code right here, Control C, and then Control V, and let's copy that other Control C, and let's do another Control V, so we're good. Let's save it, and I don't think it's going to give us another update. It's going to be only, let's refresh that. Yeah, it says the same size. Okay, cool bean, that's working good as we expected. Now, so let's create a complex value. So let's see, adding a complex value. So let's see, right here we can say the following. We're going to create an object. Okay, but let's just say const first. Let's use our constructor team1 equals new set, open close parenthesis, and then right here we're going to create that team mp1 equals open curly braces, and here we're going to say the following. We're going to say first name column string, we're going to say pastor, comma, and then we're going to say last name column double quotes, and then we're going to say Perez. Let's change my name to Perez. Cool beans. So now we're going to say team1 that add employee no mp1 semicolon, and then we'll say console log, then we'll say set size, we'll say team1 that size. Should add another size right here. Let's see, semicolon, save it and check our browser and see. Okay, set size 1. Okay, cool, that worked. Now, so let's just do detecting if a set has an object. This is a cool one right here. So how do we do that? We just do the following. We just do console.log, and then we say does have employee let's see, here we're going to say team1 that has mp1 semicolon. Okay, let's save it, check our browser, and pull does have employee has an object. Yes, it does. So that's true because we have one object in there. Cool, that worked. Now, removing values from a set. How do we do that? Let's see, removing, not like that. From a set, okay? So we're going to say team1, that easy enough. We're going to say delete, and then you do emp1. Then you save it, and it should be gone, right? Let's see. Does employee true? Okay. So let's see, what do we do? Let's check over here really quick. Program team1 delete. Okay, remove values from a set. Okay, team mp1. Oh yeah, right here. This is wrong. This is wrong, dude. Set size. Set size, we have team1. Good, because that's what we're trying to remove. Size. Okay. Let's save it and let's go back, check our browser, and oh yeah, so we gotta do that, and then let's see. Oh, I keep messing up. Let's go back and check again. So yes, this is oh man, this is a mistake on my part. Team one that delete, that's what we want, right? But in here we're going to say mp1 semicolon, and right here is going to be console. That's why it's not doing anything. Console log, console.log, and then that should fix our issue, and then we should be good to go. Let's save it and let's check it, and boom, yes, set size to 0 because we deleted. What about if you want to clear it? We can just do the same thing, not the same thing. We can just use this will remove all values, and here we'll say team one that clear, and that's it. Everything should be cleared up. Yeah, wouldn't show that much in there because it's clear. Alright guys, so thank you for checking the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly by steady. Alright, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night. Peace out. Bye.